Chapter 8, Living the Simple Life. Learning Objectives. 1. To inculcate the habit of reading, listening and comprehending. 2. To learn to appreciate simple life. Warm up. Have you ever eaten simple food? Do you like it? If yes, then name your favorite simple food. This is the story of Jerry, who had a cousin named Cora. Both Jerry and Cora lived in the country and were known as town mouse. They loved their simple life and ate very simple food. They liked barley for breakfast and tea and corn for supper. Jerry: Ah, the simple life. Cora: Yes, brother, I love it too. Jerry: There is so much food to eat that we like. Cora: Yes, we can eat as much as we want and can do whatever we want. For days and days, they ate as much as they liked and then went to sleep in the hay. One day, their friend Jack came to their place. Both Jerry and Cora were excited to meet Jack, but he wasn't so happy. Jack said to Cora, What is this? What boring food do you have? And why do you live this simple life? Jerry and Cora became sad on hearing this. Jack invited both of them to come and stay with him. Jack said to them, Come and stay with me. I will show you a variety of delicious foods in my town. Both of them agreed and went along with Jack. They took the mouse bus and went to town. Jack showed Cora and Jerry delicious foods in his house such as honey, peas, beans, bread, butter, fruits and cheese. All of them were excited. Jerry said, Let's have a party together. But the moment they began to eat something, cats and humans entered their house and began chasing them. Jack and his friends ran for their lives. They were out of the house and reached a place. They were so exhausted. Jerry and Cora discussed with each other that it is better at their place. Life is simple and easy there. Jerry: How exhausting is this? First, humans were troubling us and then cats chased us. Cora: I'm done with this place and with the idea of the feast. Let's go back home and eat our simple food in peace. Our home is the best place to rest even if we don't have exciting food and lavish things in our place. We were happy and united there. Jerry agreed with Cora and they both left for their home. Find meaning. Feast: a large meal. Lavish: luxurious. Hay: grass that is cut and dried. Acquire: buy or obtain. Supper: a light meal served late in the evening. Exercises: creative expression. Tell your story. Make 3 groups in the classroom. Choose any character from the story. Tell the class why you have chosen the same. Cross-curricular connect. Critical thinking. See these pictures given below and choose a picture and narrate a story related to it. Exercise time. Our parents take care of us every day. Do you ever feel the need to say thank you to your parents? Story related. Write the answers for the following questions. A. Who came to meet Jerry and Cora? Did he like their simple life? Answer: Jack came to meet Jerry and Cora, and he did not like their simple life. B. Did Jerry and Cora enjoy the fashionable life? If yes, why? If no, why? Answer. Jerry and Cora did not enjoy the lavish life because humans and cats chased them. C. Which type of food was shown by Jack to Cora and Jerry? Answer. Jack showed delicious food to Jerry and Cora. D. What happened to Jerry and Cora at the moment they began to eat? Answer. When Jerry and Cora started to eat, cats and humans entered the house and began chasing them. State true or false. A. Jerry and Cora were not excited to meet Jack. False. B. Jerry and Cora eat very simple food. True. C. Jack showed Cora and Jerry delicious foods in his house. True. Take the correct answers. A. Jerry and Cora like dash life. 1. Simple. 2. Rich. 3. Fashionable. 1. Simple. B. Jack didn't like dash life. 1. Simple. 2. Exciting. 3. Boring. 1. Simple. C. Jack showed Jerry and Cora dash. 1. Delicious foods. 2. Town. 3. Unhealthy food. 1. Delicious foods. Writing skills. Imagine yourself as Jerry in the story. Write a brief description of how it felt to be at Jack's house. Did you feel good or bad at Jack's house? Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Mention the different kinds of lifestyle of the following. Column 1. Jerry and Cora. Column 2. Jack. Match the words with their correct meaning. Column 1. Delicious. 2. Agreed. 3. Feast. 4. Lavish. 5. Acquire. Column 2. A large meal. 2. Having a very pleasant taste. 3. To have the same opinion. 4. Obtain. 5. Luxurious. Delicious. Answer. Having a very pleasant taste. Agreed. Answer. To have the same opinion. 3. Feast. Answer. A large meal. 4. Lavish. Answer. Luxurious. 5. Acquire. Answer. Obtain. Communication. Writing skills. Given below is the ending of a story that you are required to construct in around 100 words. Give a suitable title to the story. This was the same tiger John had assisted. He had removed the thorn that had become lodged in its paws. He had spent the day back in the jungle. Reading skills. Read the description given below. Sam's favorite storybook is The Ugly Duckling. It was written by a famous writer called Hans Christian Andersen. He wrote beautiful fairy tales for children. This story has been made into a movie. The story is about a little duckling. Everyone thought he was ugly and made fun of him. Time passed and soon the ugly duckling grew into a beautiful swan. Then everyone stood admiring him and no one was important to him anymore. 1. How many paragraphs can you spot in the paragraph above? 2. Tell us about your favorite storybook. Speaking skills. What kind of lifestyle were Jerry and Cora were enjoying? Did they like Jack's life? Give reasons for your answer. B. Talk to your partner about the simple food and junk food you like. Use those words and phrases. I like. I don't like. I enjoy eating. Do you like? Speak well. Unjumble the jumbled words given below. A. K. C. J. A. Answer: Jack. B. L. E. R. B. Y. A. Answer: barley. C. E. P. A. E. C. Answer: peace. Listening skills. Activity. Divide into 2 groups. Speak a paragraph from the story and the other group will listen carefully. Now ask at least 3 questions related to the paragraph. Let us learn grammar. A. Put accurate words in the given blanks. A. Jerry and Cora went to Jack's house. B. Jerry and Cora like simple food. C. They took the mouse bus. D. They liked barley for breakfast. B. Choose the correct words, past tense, to complete the sentence. A. They dash their simple life. 1. Love. 2. Loved. 3. Loved. 4. Loving. 3. Loved. B. They dash very simple food. 1. Eat. 2. Eats. 3. Eaten. 4. Ate. 4. Ate. C. Jerry and Cora dash in a town. 1. Lived. 2. Live. 3. Lives. 4. Living. 1. Lived. C. Read these words and convert it into plurals. A. Variety. Answer: varieties. B. Bus. Answer: buses. C. Supper. Answer: suppers. D. Human. Answer: humans. Vocabulary time. A. Write antonyms. A. Sad. Happy. B. Begin. End. C. Boring. Exciting. B. Write homophones. A. Dare. Answer: dare. T-H-E-R-E. B. Do. Answer: do. T-W-O. C. Bean. Answer: bean. B-E-E-N. Life skills. Name any 4 things that you have learned from the chapter which you can relate to your life.